Because introducing for the first time as husband and wife, give it up for the new Mr. and Mrs. Rob and Alexis Camphausen. At this time, we're going to ask the bridal party to please split the dance floor. Alexis and Rob are about to share their first dance as husband and wife. They've chosen a beautiful song entitled I'll Always Be Right There.
I swear to you,